Hi everybody, thanks for stopping by. It's Matt from the Real Toy Shop again. What we got for you today? Well, we're going to have a one-hit walk around this fantastic 2022 Harley Fat Bob. Yes, it's the 114. It's got a stage 1 kit on it with the Vance Hineses and the heavy breather, so stick with us. You get to have a good look around the bike, and at the end we'll fire it up for you so you can hear what it sounds like with a set of those short shots, mid shots, whatever one wants to call them shots. We'll get to hear them, and it sounds good. So 2022 bike, as I said, and it's done incredibly low mileage, which we shall get to when we get there. We'll have a look at the clocks. Firstly, you want to see what's on the bike, condition of it, and everything else. So tyres, you can see there, are great. Walking down there, look, 114 cubic inches. It's the bigger engine of these, and yeah, they fly. Old school Harley-Davidson grey panel there with the HD into the tank with a little bit of orange accent, which just, yeah. We always love a blacked out bike here. And again, I know those guys be at me, oh, look at your fins. Yeah, I love my fins, but these are all blacked out on one of these. So the whole engine just looking absolutely stunning. Nothing to report anywhere. There's your Vance Hines, look, your logo there for your lovely pipes. Preload there for the rear suspension. Moving along, you got the Harley-Davidson logo there on the back wheel. Comfy seat, simple speedo with a readout. You can change the readout on the digital section in the bottom to display revs, miles, trip, range, all that kind of good stuff. Again, good back tyre, 2022, that March 2022 to September 22. Bike was registered between, and looking around here, belt drive obviously, so you're not going to get all muck and everything thrown all over. Battery tender connection there, so you can stick your tender on and keep your battery nice and good while your bike stood about. 114 derby cover, or clutch cover, however you want to call it. Coils up there, same look, no marks, scratches, dings or anything else on there. Just really, really, really nice. See if we can get that a bit. So see all the other bikes in the background there loafing about waiting to be videoed, or they've already been videoed, because we've got loads of bike videos and some crazy car videos. If you want to watch some of those, I know you're here for a bike. Look, there's my fat bald head there. But we've all sorts of daft videos you can take a look at if you've got the time, or if you're bored and you want to get off to sleep. There we've got the blacked out. Everything's blacked out on one of these. We look good that with the orange lenses, but they always look good with the dark lenses as well. This one's got the orange as standard. And again, look at the engine this side. You've got no marks or anything else. And you can't see the Harley-Davidson written on the wheel, but you can there. Look, if I angle the camera up, Harley-Davidson's written on the wheel still in there. Like I say, the mileage on this is lovely, lovely low mileage. You'll be incredibly happy if you got this bike. If you didn't know the mileage and then you saw what it is, you'd be over the moon. And there's your sort of the oil cooler down there, all looking clean and tidy. Everything blacked out, mean as. Go like the clappers, look cool, big fat front tyre, really nice looking thing. So I hope you're seeing what I'm seeing here and appreciating just what a bike we're looking at. Doesn't she look well? Oh, looks a bit dark there, doesn't it? That's my lights moving about. So let's come back in. That big V-twin motor, 6-speed box, keyless start, all that good stuff. Couple of little more tricky electrical bits, ABS and traction control and stuff like that on one of these. And you've also got, like I say, that button there, you know, with the round arrows out on it. That one there is for changing what your digital dash displays you. So again, blacked out, takes E5 or E10, so you no worries over your fuel on one of these. Obviously it's quite a modern bike, well, it's a really modern bike. all sorts of good stuff like your rubber mounting motor and all that kind of gubbins as well on a bike of this age, which just makes living with it just that bit easier. Let's have a look at it from down here. Yep, still looks cool. Let's have a look at it from over here. Yep, it looks mean as hell, doesn't it? Really. Right. What can we do for you on the bike? I'm going over here as well. What can we do for you on the bike? Well, if you've got a part exchange, which you may well have, that's how it kind of rolls, isn't it? We move from one bike to the other. If you've got opportunity to sell your bike, that's always the best way. We give a trade value for your bike, part exchange. But if you want a part exchange, nip to this place, if it ever zooms in. There you go. And on there, we've got a part exchange form which collects all the information that we need to get you a value for your bike, car, boat, whatever you're chopping in. And then that number below, if you want to hang on to that number, because if you need some monthly payments, which again is fairly normal, we can sort that out for you. Give us a call in the office. We'll talk you through the numbers, and if you like the numbers, then of course we can hook you up with one of our finance companies and hopefully get you all through if you've been a good boy or girl. So that's that side of things. Now, then we come on to delivery. And us here at the Real Toy Shop, we've always delivered for absolutely nothing. Mainland UK, of course, we're not posting to China or anything like that. So if you want this bike delivering to your house, that in the mainland UK, that's absolutely fine. We can assist with Northern Ireland and Ireland. We can take the bikes up to Cairn Ryan or Holyhead or something like that for you. But could be my happy smiling face that brings it to you. I'll take most of our bikes everywhere, but every now and again, if you're in a far-flung place, we use a dedicated motorcycle courier to do that job for you. So, yeah, if you see our little crafter on the road, it's not little, it's huge, big black crafter with orange writing on it, with a Real Toy Shop, give us a honk and a wave, and I will do my best not to think you have, you know, I've abused you or something like that. You know what I mean. Right, so we're moving around here swiftly, and we're getting to the point that everyone likes, and that's to hear this beast roar. And of course you want to hear it roar. Just before we hear it roar, just a quick note on the delivery. You don't have to have it delivered without seeing it. You can come here, we'll look after you, give you a cup of tea and all the rest of it, and then you can have it delivered on another day. I know some people get edgy about sending monies before they get the bike, and I totally understand, but you've totally got the opportunity to come here too. And if you don't want to, and you haven't got time, and you're in a far-flung part of the country, we understand that. Use this video as your guide, speak to us on the phone, make your own judgment, and look at our details on the website regarding delivery, and that should give you all the answers you need regarding time frames, yada yada yada. If it turns up broken, obviously you won't be accepting it, we'll be taking it back, it's all on us. So that side of things, that's the delivery, and now we're stepping back into the making a noise time. So we all want to hear it make a noise. Make it make a noise, Matt. Want to hear those Vance Hines pipes, want to hear that big engine roar. So we're going to do that for you now. But before we do that, remember, if you need to, ask your missus first. What the hell does that mean? Well, your mother, your brother, your dad or your lover, whoever you've got to ask before you have this bike, get them asked before you ring us. We'll talk you through the details. All the other details will be on the website for sure, but ask your missus first. Get your permission out of the way, or just don't. Just grow a pair and buy the damn thing. Right, keyless ride. So there's your key there. I'll leave it there so I don't lose it. Dead simple. This button here, come on, focus. So this button here, we turn that on and we get some mileage. What's the mileage, Matt? Oh, the range is 47, we know that. 1,497 miles. It's done nothing. Come on. Off we go. Want some fuel in it? For sure. I'll make sure that's done. That light will be off. And then you can go through this, look. Range 47 miles. Oh, time one setting. Then you get the revs. There you go, it's giving you the revs there. And I believe it gives you the gear as well. It kind of scrolls when you're riding, when you're in gear. So there you go, 1,497 miles. It's nothing, is it? Get out, fly. Damn, fly on it. Fly wants to ride it. Cool as hell, LED front light. And then you've got the integrated rear turn signals and rear lights, and they look cool as custard as well. Turn those off. She's nicely warmed up, but either way, what can I stand you on? Oh, I know I can stand you on. Have a look at that. And then over here, I'm going to put you on this look. Like that. That should keep anybody happy. And obviously, free from knocks, bangs, tinks and everything, as you would expect, at 1,400 miles. So, that's it. I can't tell you any more, can I? That's got to be it for this beautiful bike. But I need it in my shed, Matt. What do I do? What do I do? What do I do? Well, number one, if you've got a part exchange, you know where to go. Number two, so I like my piece of wood there, I was balancing you on. Number two, if you need some monthly finance, speak to one of us in the office, we'll get that hooked up for you. So if you like the numbers, we'll put you through with our finance partner. Number three, delivery is free. Let's get it paid for, get it in a van, get it to you as quick as we can. I'm a poet too, and I just didn't know it. Like I said, loads more videos, go and have a look. If you've got this far and you liked anything, give us a little like. We love it, it helps our channel. Subscriptions are even better, that helps us grow. And while we're at it, YouTube thinks you might like this video, this playlist, but that's the like button, get it smashed. Thanks for watching, we'll see you on the next one. Don't forget, ask your missus first. Bye for now.